Hi everyone, very good morning. I am here Neha with you again with a new series of flexibility for 7 days. So let us start a very small and a quick session of flexibility which you can really practice anytime, either morning, evening, preferably if you can do it in the morning will be great. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before we start the session, come back to the center, keep your shoulders a bit relaxed, close your eyes. Always make sure that you mentally and physically prepare yourself for the class. It could be anything. So take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Slowly open your eyes. Okay. So keep your legs slightly apart from each other, maybe like 1.5 feet apart from each other. Now lift your left hand all the way up. So now make sure that you practice along with me and you stay as far as I am staying to experience the maximum stretch. So this is going to be a light warm up. So from here, push your elbow a little up, inhale, keep your hand slightly behind the ear, exhale to the side, inhale to center. 2, down and center. 3, center. 4, center. Last one, 5, and you're going to hold. Keep your hand relaxed, breathe in, breathe out. Keep looking at the wall outside or the ceiling. Try to open up your chest to the outside so you can feel more stretch here. So you're going to hold with me 5. Go a little more deeper if you think you want to get more stretch. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back to center. Other side. Lift your left hand up. Try to push your hand outside. Keep your neck shoulder relaxed. So when you go down, you're going to try to open up your chest and you start looking at the ceiling so that you feel the entire your upper body is being stretched to your side. Inhale. Exhale to the side. Don't round to the floor, open up your chest. Come back to center. 2, come back to center. 3, come back to center. 4, go deeper. Feel the stretch. Come back to center. The last one where we're going to hold for some time. Inhale. Exhale to the side. Look at the ceiling. If you want to make it really challenging, you can go a little more deeper. 5, 4, stay, breathe. 3, 2 and 1. Come back to center. Now keep your hands on the waist. So take a deep breath in, deep breathe out. You're going to rotate your stomach. So actually you're rotating your spine. So try to go deeper. If you want, you can keep your eyes closed and see that your spine is moving along with the stomach. So you're going to give a nice stretch without bending your knee 5 times clockwise, a nice and a bigger circle using your middle part of the body. The slower you move, the more stretch you feel. So slow down your movements. Now the anti-clockwise. 1, push your spine accordingly. 2, 3, 4, and here you go with the last one. Make sure that you go slower here and push your stomach and your spine and come back to center. Now from here, keep your both the legs slightly apart from each other. And now you're going to hold your both the elbows like this, okay? So 1 arm distance. So what you're going to do now, you're going to slowly bend forward. See, if you want to try to understand how exactly it should be done, try to not round your shoulder to go down. Try to keep your spine as much as possible. Inhale. With the help of the lower stomach, slowly go down. Don't round your spine now. Keep going down wherever your body is supporting. So once you feel your spine need to be rounded, you cannot continue to keep it straight. You can do that, but do not bend your knee. How much ever you can, slowly start dropping your body weight down. See, if I have to ask you to hold without dropping your hands, you would be here. If I ask you to fold your hands and go down, your body will pull that 1 inch of extra body weight towards the floor. Drop your body weight down, which you can feel a lot of nice stretch in your hamstring. Hold on, breathe in, breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Feel a nice and a strong stretch in your hamstring. Your spine is not very much involved. Now drop your hands down, round your shoulder and slowly come back to center and get your legs together. Alright, now from here come to center. Inhale, tuck your tummy in. Exhale, round your shoulder and round your spine. Drop your hands down as if you're just pulled towards the floor. So round your stomach, round your shoulder, go down. Keep your knees straight. Fold your both the hands, elbow. Again same thing. Try to drop your elbows loose. Breathe in, breathe out. Move to the right a bit and to the left a bit. Right and left. Now drop your hands down, bend your knee a little, which will give you more space to go down. Try to go down, see if you need to bend your knee a little more. Keep your legs little apart. Hold, try to feel the stretch in your hamstring. If you think the stretch is lesser, you can also keep your knee straight. If it is too hard for you to practice, if you're not able to be here, you can also be here. Keeping your hands on the knee, trying to keep your spine straight and keep going down till you find that hamstring stretch which is pulling you and trying to give you that enough feel of the stretch. This if you want to or here. So choose whatever works well for you. Inhale, exhale. Now take your both the legs back. Drop your knee down. Drop your body down by keeping your both the knee apart from each other. Create a space. So if I ask you to do a child posture, normally you would just drop your head down. But I want you to adjust yourself completely. Open up your chest. Extend your hands how much ever you can without lifting your hip up. And drop your shoulders down and head down and chest down. Now from here, move towards your left side. Try not to move your hip or the lower body. Just your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now try pressing your shoulders down and head down and feel the maximum stretch in your side. Just be here with a long breathe in, long breathe out. Now come back to center. We're going to try the same thing other side. You can continue to go to the side as far as you want to increase the stretch. Drop your head down. You can feel a very good stretch in your sides. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly come back to center. From here, slowly come up. Get your both the knee together. From here, lift your knee up and try to push your upper body up. See now, your wrist and shoulder is in kind of in a straight line. Try to push them out. Now, try to play with your heels a bit. Drop your heel down, 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 down. So, make sure that your hip goes up and your spine is following your hip. Try to stretch based on your capacity. Keep your knee a bit bent so that you have more space and then keep moving your heels one by one. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And then find that space where you want to hold. Take your spine in. Tuck your lower tummy completely inside as if it's trying to reach the spine.
Extend your shoulders. Try dropping your heels down. It's okay if it doesn't go down. Stay there for the long breathe in, breathe out. One more inhale and exhale. Now remember the stomach rotation we did in the beginning when we were standing. You're going to do the same thing. Try to rotate your stomach clockwise 5 times, anti-clockwise 5 times. Create a circle with the help of the stomach. Move your body how much ever you can, how much ever you want in order to give that nice circle. Now anti-clockwise. Use your stomach. You can feel that your stomach is controlling the movement. If you don't get it at once, if you practice few times, you will understand. So it's okay. One more time. And then drop your knee down.
Sit down for a while, just relax your wrist, relax your arms, breathe in, breathe out. So, Adho Mukha Svanasana, Parvatasana. So, this posture is one of the very close postures to me because I know this can do a lot in terms of flexibility. So, no matter what you practice or not, this thing please try to add in your regular life, on a regular practice. Now, from here, we're going to go back to Parvatasana once again. Press your spine, drop your heels down if you can, inhale. Now, just try to push your spine to the right, very mild, very gentle, to the left. To the right, 5 times each, to the left. 3, change, 4, keep adjusting your posture accordingly. Last one. It's important to feel the stretch, but try to find your own alignments and be on the mat, don't fall down. Come back to center now once. Take a deep breath in. Exhale your spine up. You're going to hold here with the maximum stretch. Keep your knees straight. Doesn't matter how hard you find to stay here, but you're going to stay here for 5 counts with me. Hold. A long breathe in, breathe out. Give your best. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Give one maximum push where you try to get your head closer to the floor only if you can. And slowly come down to child posture. Stretch your hands out. Keep your knees slightly apart from each other. Press your chest down and hold. Take a deep breathe in, breathe out. Slowly come back to center. Inhale. And exhale. You can relax and be in any comfortable posture you want. So I hope you had a good stretch. So always when you practice, try to go that extra of yourself. Try not to hold yourself back. So practice, let your body really experience the free stretch. If you want to find a maximum effect of this practice, then you might have to do it 2 times repeatedly. It's a very small video, so I'm sure you can do that. And I'll see you day 2 tomorrow. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you so much.